Hi, everyone. If AI writes the code for you, do you still need to understand it? Not should you. Do you actually need to? Because a junior developer today can prompt, paste, ship, and show results on day one. Here's what changed. Developers never really learned from courses. They learned from the struggle. You wrote something, it broke. You spent a night figuring out why, and that was the lesson. AI removed the struggle. And studies show exactly what you would expect. Developers using AI finish faster, but understand less. The biggest gap? Debugging. You cannot debug what you never built. Learning used to be forced on you. Now it is optional. And nobody gets praised in stand-up for what they understood. But hold on. Every generation was told they must understand the layer below. Assembly, compilers, memory. When I started in the early 2000s, old school developers said I was not a real programmer because I never wrote assembly. They were wrong. Abstraction always wins. So maybe AI is just the next layer. Tempting, right? But there is one crack in that analogy. Compilers are deterministic. They earn your trust by being right 100% of the time. AI is confidently wrong some percentage of the time. It writes code that looks clean, passes the happy path, and dies at scale in production. So you cannot just trust it, you have to judge it. And here is the shift. You may not even need to read every line. Modern AI almost never implements a textbook algorithm wrong. It has seen quicksort a million times. But it absolutely can pick the wrong algorithm for your situation. The bug moved up a level. It is not in the lines anymore. It is in the choices. So the new skill is interrogation. What sort did you use? Why this one? What happens at 10 times the input? Why a list and not a map? You are not reviewing syntax, you are reviewing judgment. And to review judgment, you need to have some. Judgment is the whole job now. If you are a junior, treat AI code like work from a fast, confident colleague who never double checks the requirements. Interrogate the choices, break it on purpose. That is the new struggle, and it is opt-in now. So understand the code or just verify it. I told you where I stand. Tell me where you stand in the comments. Half of you will disagree, and I want to hear why. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.